Hello, everyone at CoinEx. In this issue, we will introduce CoinEx Automated Market Making, AMM, and how to earn liquidity income. Automated Market Making, or AMM, can calculate the buying and selling prices according to the formula, so as to provide continuous quotations for the market. There are several models of AMM. CoinEx uses the Constant Product Market Maker model, which combines AMM with the order book. This system will automatically convert the liquidity pool into an order book and provide liquidity for the market, regardless of the size of the order book or the liquidity pool. The market in CoinEx that supports automated market making is called the CoinEx AMM market. It has three main characteristics. First, automatic market making to make profits. After a user provides liquidity, the funds will be deposited in the liquidity pool for automatic market making, and 50% of the transaction fee paid by all trading users, 100% in the CET/USDT market, will be allocated to all liquidity providers according to the proportion of their shares in the liquidity pool. Second, daily income accumulated to be withdrawn all at once. The income from transaction fees earned in the market-making account is calculated once a day and is automatically deposited into the market-making account. You can get all the cumulative income when removing liquidity. Third, liquidity adding and removal free of charge. The assets can be transferred between the spot account and the market-making account in real time by adding and removing liquidity free of charge. Unlike ordinary markets, CoinEx AMM market applies an independent rate system, where the rates for the maker and the taker are both 0.3%. It is worth noting that any user can join the liquidity pool as a market maker and enjoy 60% of the transaction fees from the market. Here is an example to help you understand the rules. Assuming that a transaction fee of 100 USDT is generated in the CET/USDT market on a certain day, if the user has a 10% share in the CET/USDT liquidity pool, he or she can get 100 times 10% equals 10 USDT from the transaction fee as rewards. Step 1. Add liquidity to the CoinEx AMM market. First, visit www.coinex.com in an Explorer, and after successfully logging in, click Exchange on the top navigation bar to enter the spot trading area. Here we take CET/USDT as an example. Find the liquidity pool entry on the right of the trading market and click Add. On the Add Liquidity page, enter the amount of assets to be deposited in the liquidity pool and click Add after confirmation. Step 2. Remove liquidity from the CoinEx AMM market. On the Remove Liquidity page, click Remove All. Here's a special reminder. You have to remove the liquidity all at once. In the Assets in the upper right corner of the home page, select AMM account. And now you can view your market-making details. Thanks for watching this video. Follow updates of CoinEx to be a well-informed investor.